Alzheimer's or dementia. While no one can change the outcome, the right support and love can transform their journey. But it can never take away the love. Over time, they may forget, but let's ensure they are never forgotten. We remember their love when they can no longer remember.
Look, I thought that someone was there to kill me.
Relax, Papa. I was just messing with you. What is wrong with you? Why are you so upset? Did you forget? I'm your daughter Sonal. चलो, अब आपकी दवाई का टाइम हो गया है.
मुझे दवा की नहीं, दुआ की जरूरत है.
अच्छा, Dad. What are you looking at? You sit here all day. What are you staring at, Papa?
Just passing the time.
Did Ajay call you?
Ajay? Who?
Dad, Ajay, my younger brother. Your only son, Ajay.
No. Thank God he didn't call me.
Why? You have a problem with the calls?
Sonal, can you give me the tablet?
Papa, use your tablet.
I asked for the tablet, not this one.
Papa, this is the tablet. The tab.
I mean the medicine tablet. You never listen to me. आजकल के बच्चे लोग किसी का सुनते ही नहीं.
Papa, I just gave you the tablet. आपको अभी तो दवाई दी थी. Did you forget? I think you are having a memory problem. मुझे लगता है you are having Alzheimer's disease.
मुझे अल्जाइमर डिजीज नहीं है.
अरे बाबा, ऑल्टाइमर डिसीज नहीं होता, अल्जाइमर्स डिसीज होता है, भूलने की बीमारी.
भूलने की बीमारी? हाँ. मैं कुछ नहीं भूला. हाँ. I remember it all. Back in 1965, I secured the first place in the dramatic competition. I have a 3-page monologue. I perform it very nicely without forgetting any word. And back in 1974,
अरे your phone is ringing, पापा.
कहाँ है मेरा फोन?
जहाँ घंटी बज रही है.
Oh. Hello?
अरे not that phone, पापा. That is a dead phone. Your cell phone is ringing.
Oh, cell phone. Hello? 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, Dad. I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Dad, I checked your reports online. It's a bit confusing. But I can tell your cholesterol and A1C levels are high. You really need to avoid junk food, huh? And cut out sweets and don't add sugar to your coffee, please. Is anyone else around?
Yes, your sister is here.
Hey AJ, how are you, bro? यार, when are you coming? We are missing you here, यार. अच्छा सुन, I have asked Bud Uncle to get us a paying guest. वो ऊपर वाला कमरा है ना, we are thinking of giving that on rent. What do you think?
Sis.
अरे रुक तू.
Calm down.
Jasmine है ना, Jasmine.
I'm doing fine. Listen, I don't think I'll be able to make it this weekend, okay? But please keep an eye on Dad's diet. No junk food for him, okay? I have a meeting in 10 minutes, so I have to go now. Bye.
अरे एजे लगता है फोन कट गया हुआ।
अच्छा हुआ फोन कट गया। हमेशा लेक्चर देता है, ये मत खाओ वो मत खाओ। अरे जीना छोड़ दे क्या?
बट पापा ही केयर्स अबाउट यू ना, दैट्स व्हाई ही टेल्स यू। एंड वैसे भी आप यहाँ अकेले रहते हो, सो यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ। तो क्या गलत कहता है?
Then he should stay with us, not 1,000 miles away from us. I don't understand. Why is in New York? There are plenty of jobs available here.
You know, Baba, I really don't understand why you are so upset with him. Don't you love him?
Of course. बाप प्यार तो बहुत करता है, लेकिन कहता नहीं। तो जब तक औलाद को समझ में आता है तब तक बाप रहता नहीं।
Enough डायलॉग बाजी। ये लो, दिस इज योर स्लीपिंग पिल। गोली खाओ और सो जाओ। अब तो ये नींद की गोली भी आपसे हार मान चुकी है पापा, वो भी थक के सो जाती है।
देखना, अब नींद आएगी तो इस तरह सोएंगे कि लोग रोएंगे।
अरे पापा, व्हाट आर यू लुकिंग फॉर?
I'm looking for my cell phone.
पापा, व्हाट इज इन योर हैंड देन?
Oh,
आप भी ना।
अरे, your phone is ringing.
पापा, it is not my phone. It's the doorbell that's ringing.
Oh, go.
रुको।
Hello, this bird's for you.
Hello, bird uncle. How are you?
I'm fine. And this is Danny, your new paying guest.
Oh, hi. Hi, Danny. How are you?
Good.
Oh, please come on in.
कैसे हो? सब ठीक है ना?
Oh, I'm fine. ठीक हूँ।
अरे कुछ ठीक नहीं है ये। A1C और कोलेस्ट्रॉल दोनों का लेवल हाई आया है। एक्चुअली बर्ड अंकल, डॉक्टर ने डायग्नोस किया है, ही हैज डिमेंशिया।
डिमेंशिया वगैरह कुछ नहीं है, ये सब बकवास है। ये फार्मेसी कंपनी है ना, सबको लुटती है। आप कहते हैं डिमेंशिया। भाई दवे, ये कौन है?
Oh, I'm sorry. This is Uncle Bula, करी विवाह शंकर। और ये है डैनी।
क्या पेनी?
No, Uncle, not Penny. D for Danny.
तो मैं क्या करूं?
पापा, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। बर्ड अंकल, आप ही इनको समझाओ।
अरे आप ही ने तो कहा था ऊपर एक रूम खाली है, आपको पेइंग गेस्ट चाहिए।
मैंने कब कहा था? मुझे मेरी एक्स्ट्रा रूम किसी को भी किराए पे देना नहीं है।
अरे ये आदमी मुझे पागल कर देगा, भूल गए क्या?
अरे मैं कुछ नहीं बोला। हाँ, तुमको मालूम नहीं? अरे 1965 I secured the first place in the dramatic competition. हाँ, I had a 3-page monologue. Wow. I perform it without forgetting the single word. हाँ, and 1974, हे किधर जाता है, मेरी बात सुन। अरे क्या है, अरे सुन। अरे क्या ड्रामा था। What was the dialogue? नैनम छिदन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनम दहति पावका। मतलब समजला नसेल तो नीट समजून घे आलमगीर। साक्षीर तू हात पाय, फारशीर तू उभा द्या।
एंड दिस विल बी योर रूम। इसे अपना ही घर समझना और खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ाई करना। ओके? इफ यू एवर क्रेव फॉर होम कुक्ड फूड, We are always there.
Sure. Thank you.
You're all set, man. But make sure stay away from the old man, okay? By the way, key.
Oh, yeah. It's right here actually. So, this is for the main door.
Okay.
And that's for your room.
Thank you.
Alright, great. चलो मैं चलता हूँ. अब गोली खा के खाना खा के सो जाना. रात भर टीवी मत देखना. कुछ समझे?
मुझे समझने वाला कोई मिला नहीं, और जो कोई मिलता है मुझे ही समझाकर चला जाता है. छे.
Smells good.
I've made upma today. Oh, why don't you join us for breakfast?
Sure, would love to.
That's great. I am not sure if you're gonna like our bland home cooked food though.
Looks good. After so long, I had upma.
Really? You liked our home cooked bland food?
Yes, I don't think the spice makes it tasty, but the love you pour counts. It tastes just like my mother's.
Aw, thank you.
Oh, whenever you feel like, you can join us.
Actually, why don't you join us for dinner tonight?
Sure. Anything special going on?
Not special. You know that? We like your company.
Thank you.
I feel like my son Ajay is here.
Uncle, nice to see you smile. I always keep smiling. मुस्कुराते रहो.
लोग कहते हैं कि हम मुस्कुराते बहुत हैं, लेकिन हम थक चुके हैं दर्द छुपाते छुपाते.
वाह वाह.
वाह, क्या बात है.
There you guys are. Hello, hello.
Who? Ajay.
No, Uncle. Ajay's in New York, remember? I'm Denny. D for Denny. Oh, I got something for you. If I can find it. Oh, here's a medication. And make sure you take it after dinner, okay? Or सिर्फ एक गोली.
अब रोटी से भी ज्यादा गोली खानी पड़ती है. यही है जिंदगी. Such is life.
Uncle, don't worry. And guess what? I bought some donut and samosa.
Danny, Uncle has diabetes. He has hypertension. He can't eat all those things. And besides, I need to maintain my own weight. But damn, it's so yummy. I'm gonna dig in.
Yeah. Help yourself.
You also have one.
Uncle.
It is yummy.
Have one more, have one more.
Oh.
Today's, you don't have to diet. Uncle.
ऊपर वाला भी बहुत कमाल करता है. अरे अखरोट उसी को देता है जिनके दांत नहीं होते.
I didn't quite understand that, Uncle.
He means to say, God works in mysterious ways. He gives walnuts to people who cannot chew them.
Huh?
What he means to say is that when he was young, he couldn't afford such food. But he could eat it at that time. And now that he can afford it, he's not allowed to eat it.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to celebrate that old man's birthday.
Come, Dad, let's celebrate. It's your birthday today.
My birthday? I think it's Penny's birthday.
No, Dad, it's not Danny's birthday. It is your birthday.
This pen is yours now. I kept it for the day you would truly understand what it means to be my son. Today you have shown me that. Thank you. Thank you for bringing my favorite food. Stay bless my son. Stay bless my son.
Please accept it. This pen was his father's before him. He wrote so many dramas, so many poems with it. His dreams, his words, all with that pen. It was his creativity, his mind that flew through that pen onto the paper. His creativity is now yours to keep. And most importantly, all his hopes are now yours.
Thank you.
Papa.
Yes, Ajay. No, we are waiting here. He's going down quickly. Now I think we are handling. Important thing is he's missing you. How far are you? Okay. But make sure you come fast. I think he's just waiting for you to arrive. Ajay, let him go peacefully. जल्दी आ जाओ, कहीं देर ना हो जाए. He's on his way.
अरे तुम देखना, नींद आएगी तो इस तरह सोएंगे कि लोग रोएंगे.
Even in your silence, I can hear you, Dad. I still remember that photograph when you held me for the very first time. I was so small, so fragile, and yet there was so much love in your eyes for me. Mom and you have taught me everything I know. How to walk, how to talk. You have given me all the values. You have taught me how to live. Dad, you were my anchor. You were my hero. I don't know how I'll live without you. I will always remember everything that you have ever taught me. After Mom, You taught me how to be strong, how to love, how to care. I didn't know any of that before. You taught me how to live without mom. And now who will teach me how to live without you? I know you were forgetting things, Papa, but I have not forgotten anything you have taught us. Nothing. I will always remember everything, all the values, all the love. But now, it's your turn. It's your turn to rest peacefully, Dad. I will have to let you go. I know you'll be in a better place. You're finally one with Mama. I know you hardly remembered her. But I know you'll be happy to finally be with her. We'll be okay, Papa. I'll be okay. I'll be fine. I'm gonna let you go, Dad. Om Shanti.
I should have known. I should have known there was something wrong when I didn't get a chance to speak to him earlier. But I was too focused on work. Too focused on everything else except for being here for him.
It's okay, Ajay. It's okay. It's not your fault. None of this is your fault, really. Sometimes we feel we have more time. But life just doesn't give us a chance. But you know what? What matters the most is that he knew that you loved him. He knew that you cared. That's what's most important.
But I couldn't even get here in time. I couldn't even be here in his last moments. I couldn't.
But you know what? Don't carry that burden. I know, I completely understand. I know how it feels like. It feels you're missing out. But don't feel like that. You're not alone. He's not alone. He's now with Mama. He would always want us to remember the good times, Ajay. Not the ones that you missed.
And now, I have to live with the fact that I wasn't by his side in the end. I feel like I failed him. And I can't shake the feeling that I missed a chance to say goodbye to him. To tell him one last time that I love you, Dad. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry. Thank you, brother, for being there for my father. He really loved you. I'm really sorry, Uncle.
कुछ यादें याद रखना, कुछ बातें याद रखना। जिंदगी में हम तुम साथ नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन हम कभी साथ थे जिंदगी भर याद रखना।